Here I have Motorola Moto G72, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, go to the photos, then go to the watermark. So here you have to firstly enable device watermark, and here you can add your own signature, like you can enter your name, your surname, nickname, some quote that inspires you, can leave some message, but only up to 30 symbols, so not really long message or quote. But maybe you can manage to like get some decent sentence here, but I'm just gonna enter my favorite YouTube channel's name. And now let's check out how it will look like. So as you can see here, I have shot on Moto G72 HardReset.Info. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.